Hello and welcome. I'm going to do another cat pour today. If you haven't seen the other video, I just took a Bath and Body Works top to their fragrance mist, drilled 8 holes, and then stuck a hairspray top on there. Usually I layer one at a time. I think today I'm just going to fill it up as much as I can and see what we get. I will be showing the colors while this is dripping down. I think I've kind of become obsessed with these pours. And I'm going to try to do as little as tilting as possible once it all drains out, so I don't lose my pattern. It's a cloudy, rainy day out, so I figured might as well pour. Better than napping, I guess. And that should be in plenty of paint. Alright, so my colors. I covered my canvas with some Daler Rowney black. I'm using Apple Barrel Real Yellow, Apple Barrel Apricot, and then the rest are FolkArt. I have Neon Green, Neon Purple, Neon Pink, and Cayman Blue. Just going to give that a few more seconds to drip out. Already I can tell it's probably best to just kind of do it one at a time, let it drain, put another color in, let it drain, because it's not giving me the same pattern by pouring it all in at once. But now I know. And actually, there's still quite a bit of paint in there, so I'm going to pause you and come back once it's done dripping. Alright, so it's pretty much dripped down as much as it's going to. I'm going to try to carefully remove this. And I'm going to add a little orange in the middle. There we go. I'll try to move it down just a little bit maybe. just centering it. And I'm going to give it a quick torch to get some of the air bubbles out. And now I'm going to pause you guys and take you for a close-up. Alright, so here we are on the close-up. Like I said, I'm still experimenting with it, and I think I'm going to go back to the just add my first color, let it drip a little bit, and then add the next color, because adding them all at once isn't giving me exactly the pattern I want. It's close, but not quite. Of course, you can see the little indentions of the petals we're getting. So yeah, all in all, not bad. I'll keep experimenting with it and see what I can get. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.